Hi everyone, today's my recipe sweet corn vada. Take 3 to 4 sweet corns, wash well, then take the sweet corn kernels. It's a rainy day today. Hot sweet corn vada is going to preparing. Now ready to grind the sweet corn. Add some sweet corn to mixing jar, then grind finely without water. Do not add the water and transfer into a bowl. 2 to 3 batches we should grind the sweet corn. Now we add sliced onions or chopped onions and nicely cutted green chili and curry leaves. Add required salt and required chili flakes. If you don't have chili flakes, you can skip this. Mix all the ingredients well first, then add required rice flour. Now it's watery. Add required rice flour here. Gradually add 3 to 4 tablespoons each time. How much it will absorb, that much you can add the rice flour. Rice flour will give the crispiness to our dish. Now we can see the shaped. It's enough to add the rice flour. Half cup I added and prepare vada. This is a little bit sweet tasty because of our sweet corn. Heat heat the oil, then put slowly on medium flame only. We should fry these vada. Depending on your kadai size, you can add how many vadas you wanted to add. That much you can add. Slowly fry them. Once fried, take from oil. You can do this recipe as a summer holiday special. For children, they will eat and enjoy. If you serve to children, you can serve with a sauce, tomato ketchup, or if you want to serve to older people, older adults, you can serve with pickle. This is tomato ketchup. Outside very crispy and inside very softy. Vada is ready. It's a little bit salty and spicy and sweetness it contains. This is tomato pickle. This pickle is little bit spicy. This for this vada, this is very nice. I'm going to taste now. Looking is very good and taste also so good. It's very nice dish. You can do this in the summer vacations, or if you have any relatives or friends, you can do this. Now, sweet corn rate also very less. Ta- Prepare and taste it. Then comment me. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and like it. Thank you for watching.